Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. My name is Connor. So today the NVIDIA earnings came out and they exceeded expectations, and right now the NVIDIA stock price is trading at new all-time highs pre-market. Also, the Ethereum ETF is on the verge of being approved. It could happen this week. So this is huge, especially for the crypto market and the AI sector with these really bullish NVIDIA earnings. In this video, I'll be focusing specifically on AI coins and ones that I think are here to outperform over the next days, 2 weeks, 2 months. So let's get into the video. So today, May 23rd, the NVIDIA earnings were reported, and they did beat all expectations, and NVIDIA also announced a 10-to-1 stock split. Now, here we are in the pre-market, and the NVIDIA share price is trading at $1,016. All right, this is a new all-time high. We'll see how the market opens up here in a few hours, but this is really, really bullish for the AI sector of the crypto market, especially paired with the fact that we're on the verge of the Ethereum spot ETF getting approved in the United States of America. This is all huge, and this is all telling me, confirming my bias, that yes, we are in a crypto bull market and we are in a risk-on environment. In a risk-on environment, the market typically rewards participants who take risks. So now is not the time to be a bear. I've been full risk-on since September of 2023, and we still have some juice left in this bull run. Right now, let's focus on the AI sector of the market. Coin number one is going to be Old Reliable, Old Faithful, BitTensor Tau. Right now, it's trading at $482 with a market cap of $3.3 billion. Now, Tau has some major network upgrades happening, from more subnets to the introduction of dynamic Tau. And this is all very bullish developments. Remember, Tau is essentially an early stage startup at this moment in time. All right, so the network is evolving. There's things being worked out, and there has been a lot of selling from the subnet owners as well as the miners of Tau. But the introduction of more subnets and dynamic Tau should ideally stop that selling pressure, because now these subnet owners are incentivized to actually hold Tau instead of sell it on the open market. Anyways, taking a look at Tau's chart, we bottomed out down here at $330. And this is no surprise to me at all. Inside of the Crypto Empire Mastermind group, I had a member ask me over here on the 16th of May, what do I make of the Tau chart? And I said, very simply put, 12-hour bullish divergence. Strong chance Tau has bottomed. The orange zone is the previous top from December. Now it has flipped to major support. At that time, the price was just underneath $400. Anyways, that was an accurate call right there. It looks like Tau has bottomed out once again, put in this local bottom. It is trying to break this neckline resistance at around $500, give or take. After that, I can see it going and attacking all-time highs relatively quickly. All right, so Tau still a good hold in my opinion. Will there be more upside in lower market cap AI coins? Sure, I'm sure there will be. However, something like Tau, something I've been in from the early days, around 50 to 60 bucks, I have no problem holding this coin and seeing it through for the bull run. So Tau, I'm still bullish on it. I still think it's a good buy sub 500 bucks. All right, you can still see a 10x plus on this thing in this cycle. Tau has the potential, along with other new coins like Caspa, to reach that top 10 crypto market cap. So this is one that I would not fade. I haven't lost any conviction in it. I'm still holding it, and I'm expecting big things here for Tau. Again, bottom has already happened. If we see a pullback, anywhere around $450 to $400 would be a good buy level. But like I said, even sub 500 I think is good. And the levels to recapture are obvious. You have the previous range low at 560. And then you have the all-time highs up here towards 750 bucks. After that, we'll be trading above 4 figures on Tau. I can't say that for certain, but I do hold a very positive outlook for this project. All right, so that's coin number one for the video. Coin number two we're going to talk about now is QUBIC. All right, so QUBIC is a proof of useful work crypto, and it is developed by Come From Beyond, or Sergey Ivancheglo. And he is the guy who created IOTA as well as NXT, two of the best performing ICO crypto projects in history. Anyways, QUBIC is another one that I have personally been in from the lows around $600 per billion QUBIC units. A lot of people don't understand the tokenomics of this project, how the burning works. I encourage you, this is not going to be a full deep dive video, all right? But the tokenomics, everything that I've researched, everything that I've read into, I've not lost any conviction about QUBIC. And every Wednesday, the miners actually tend to sell their newly mined QUBIC. All right, so it's Thursday right now. We're seeing that post miner dump in the market, and we have been trickling bleeding off for quite a bit. All right, this is now listed on Gate.io as well as a few other exchanges. And long story short, I think we are close to a bottom here, in my opinion. I'm actually going to go ahead and use the safe trade chart for Tal because this tracks all of its data much before the Gate.io listing. All right, this is where everybody was able to buy QUBIC early. Most people were scared to use this exchange. Anyways, safe trade is actually going to support the airdrop of the CFB meme coin token that QUBIC holders will get as well. So safe trade, really, really good exchange in my opinion. I have had zero problems with it. Anyways, in regards to QUBIC right now, if we look at the chart, we have retraced back down to the levels of where it was when everybody thought that the bull run was over. All right, we're at $4,600 per billion cubic units. And remember, when sentiment was at its lowest recently, QUBIC did not budge below this level here around 4,000 per billion. All right, so I do expect this support to hold. Can't say for sure, but I'm expecting this 4,000 per billion support to hold on QUBIC. Any prices you see around there, if you're looking to accumulate, I think they would bode very well. All right, the market cap of QUBIC is around $500 million. And this one has the potential, again, to reach multiple billions, all right? So QUBIC, one that I wouldn't ignore. I have really high conviction in this project, and I'm excited to see how it does end up playing out. Anyways, they train AI with their proof of useful work, so that's why it's in this video, all right? So that's coin number 2 for the video. Let's go ahead and move on to coin number 3. Coin number 3 is going to be Altcoin AGC, and the project here is called Devolved AI, all right? This is a new layer 1 EVM-compatible blockchain solely focused on AI, and they will be launching mainnet very soon. And with that, more exchange listings, because right now it's really only on Uniswap on the Polygon Matic blockchain. When their mainnet goes live, they're going to get listed on centralized exchanges, and you will be able to bridge your tokens from Polygon Matic to the Devolved AI mainnet. All right, so a lot of huge updates. This is partnered with Kip Protocol, has some other big partnerships. A lot of development happening here on this one. It's really new. They did a fair launch, good communication from the team. I am holding this one. Now, if we take a look at the chart here, it is bottomed out in my opinion. All right, we had a double bottom down here at 36 cents. This was extremely oversold. And right now at 58 cents, this is still a really good buy. A lot of people FOMO'd into this one much higher, above $1. And now you have the opportunity to buy it at a discount before it has started to run. A lot of other AI coins have started to run already. This hasn't. I think that this is a good buy here at 58 cents, not financial advice. I do hold this one, and I certainly don't think it's a bad idea at all to go ahead and add at these levels. This one has the potential to reach $10 plus, and I think $10 is a very low price prediction personally. I'm expecting higher, but we'll save that for an Altcoin specific video. Take a look at this one, do your own research. I'm bullish on AGC, Devolved AI, Altcoin. Let's go ahead and move on to the next coin in this video, and it is going to be Netmind token NMT. All right, the Chinese Tao. This is a very bullish project. It's got a lot of chatter on social media. Right now, it's at a market cap of $368 million. So below 400 mil market cap. And like I said, they're calling this one the Chinese Tao, and it has a lot of really good things going for it. Google has actually went ahead and used this network to compare their own models against. All right, so it's getting a lot of attention. NVIDIA is also interested in this one. Go look into that on your own. There's a lot of information about it on there. This one is newer. As you can see, it got listed on February 6th, and it has an all-time high up here at $16. They had a minor exploit, and that caused a huge sell-off down here to $3. It then stabilized while the market corrected over these past few months. All right, the local low is at around $5. It has pumped to $10. So it basically put in a 100% move in less than a week. As you can see here, from $5 up to $10 in around 7 days' time. All right, so looking at this chart, you have this obvious one resistance to crack up here at $12, and then you have the all-time high up here at $16. I would like to see some kind of pullback, but that's not a given. Any pullbacks to around the $8 region look like good opportunities to load up if you're penny pinching. If you're not penny pinching anywhere around $10, you're still most likely going to be able to make really, really good returns from this one. I can see this one doing well. Reaching over $100 in this cycle. Again, not financial advice, just my outlook. But NMT, Netmind, check it out on your own. Look into it. Bullish. Moving on, we have another AI coin. And this is the Ethereum beta AI coin, in my opinion. This is BasedAI. Right now it's $6.86. This is created from the original Pepe coin developers from 2016. And this is kind of a two token economy with Pepe coins. All right. So basically, if you stake Pepe coins, you stake 1,000 Pepe coins, you get 2 BasedAI per day as a reward. This is how BasedAI is emitted. Long story short, they are building these things called brains, and they have full homomorphic encryption. So people are saying that this is better than Tau because of the FHE, fully homomorphic encryptions. Something to keep in mind and do your own research on. The market cap right now is $250 million. The token's trading for $6.86. If we look at this chart, that's the weekly. Daily looks very good as well. It's bouncing directly from the 100 simple moving average on the daily time frame, and it is currently in a supply zone, as we can see here at $7. All right, we have this drop-based drop. This was the origin of a big down move here over on the 22nd of April. And this was a symmetrical triangle on the bottom here, and it broke out to the upside. So this is looking very bullish. And like I said, this is a direct beta to Ethereum. So the ETH ETF gets approved. AI is very bullish with the NVIDIA earnings. This is going to outperform ETH. All right, there's a lot of other ETH betas on the market, but I like this one because it's directly artificial intelligence. So it has to clear the supply zone at 7. After that, you have this level up here. Let's go ahead and grab it. And this is at 940, really 950. If I grab that, yeah, 940, 950. And then you have the all-time highs. Okay, so I am expecting this one to break into price discovery, similar to all the other AI coins I've mentioned. Like I said, we're in a risk-on bull market. All right, in a bull market, it's the time to take risk. Anyways, supply zone right here. If we pull back, your $5.80 to $6 level is going to most likely be the best you can get, unless I'm wrong and the market corrects further, of course. All right, so if you're looking for a buy opportunity, $6 to $5.80. Again, you have your obvious levels to crack at $9.50, then $12, and then you're in price discovery. I will look into this one. A lot of development and building is happening. And this is the ETH MEXC's AI exposure. So with ETH outperforming, ETH ETF, this one can really pump hard. Let's go ahead and move on to another coin. So we also have Solidus AITECH, and right now it is trading for 19 cents with a market cap of $112 million. Now, this is an AI coin. It's a DePIN coin. They have a full data center in Bucharest, Romania. Also have an AI launchpad for new projects. And they have some big influencers on board. They're doing a lot for marketing, a lot of exposure. And this isn't one of those fair launched AI coins, right? This one had a pre-sale, has VCs involved. So it's kind of more your normie friendly AI coin. You can look at it like that, less on the fringe. Anyways, fully diluted market cap, 378 mil. And if we look at the chart here of AITECH, it is still holding its bottom formation after, it went ahead and printed here an inverse head and shoulders. You can call it a triple bottom. Typically, if we weren't in a bull market, if we weren't in risk-on conditions, this is a bearish formation, right? Because you have these lower high, lower high, lower high into the same support level down here. In this case, that's at 16 cents. So if we weren't in a risk-on environment, I would say possibly this can break down lower. But the fact that we're in a bull run, that AI is the most bullish sector of the crypto market, I'm expecting the opposite. I'm expecting it to break out to the upside here. If you do your own research and you like this project and you want to add it to your own portfolio for this cycle, well, then I would say anywhere underneath 20 cents in this area is going to be a buy. This is all reaccumulation here. All right. Here, accumulation. Now this is reaccumulation, in my opinion. All right. So anywhere underneath 20 cents is going to most likely produce some good results for you in your portfolio. And, really it's just been a slow trickling bleed off since it went ahead and went parabolic in early March, right? It peaked out March 13th, been bleeding off since, has went ahead and reaccumulated. It's looking like it wants to bust out of this bottom formation. So I will look at this one, and this looks like a good buy to me right now. Let's go ahead and move on to the last coin I'll talk about in this video, and it's Echelon Prime. So this is a gaming coin, and they have also went ahead and started building out AI agents. All right, so this is technically AI as well. Now, this is a higher market cap at $703 million. Price right now is $17.90. This is traded directly on Coinbase as well. Something to look into, and it's also on the Base network. These are things I shared all in my full Prime video back in September when I was shouting from the rooftops that it was an amazing buy at $3, and lo and behold, it was. And I still think it will hit my price target of $80 to $100. All right, so more upside here on Prime. Look into it on your own time. Watch my older video. And if we look at the prime chart here, put in a double bottom right on the daily 200 EMA at 1350. And it is trying to break above resistance over here at $19 to $20. All right, as you can see, tried to break above, rejected. Now it's back in this kind of previous range it has traded in before. But regardless, I'm bullish on this, and I think this will continue to outpace the market going forward when we do get a breakout. Bitcoin and ETH new all-time highs. As you can see, this is already broken its bearish downtrend, this trend line, and it is basically in consolidation before likely its next move up. If you see a pullback around $16, that's going to be a good entry in my opinion. Anyways, I can't cover every AI coin on the market. There's a lot of other really bullish projects out there. Everybody has their own AI bags. Everybody has their own opinion on the market. And every coin that I covered, I think will do well, but there's others that will perform great as well. So that's why it's really important to do your own research and have your own conviction. You can't have borrowed conviction in this market. You need to make your own decisions and be responsible for what happens. That's where the big money is made. When you really go heavy in your main highest conviction bags, that's how you will grow your portfolio. So bullish for AI in general with the NVIDIA earnings and the Ethereum ETF. Definitely look into these projects. These charts look really good. So in this video, we took a look at the AI sector of the crypto market after the NVIDIA earnings came back very bullish, and we're also on the verge of the Ethereum spot ETF getting approved. So everything is lining up right now for the next leg higher in this bull run, where we see Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, the majors push to new all-time highs, as well as altcoins. Very exciting times to be in the crypto market. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. And if you are brand new to Crypto Empire and you are not subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I'll see you in the next video.